Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. Today is School Sunday and also the Crafting Together collaborations. So School Sunday has been put together by Karen from the Dragon's Cave and Lula the Nerd Goblin, and the Crafting Together collaboration has been organised by George's Gorgeous Gifts. So I thought I would do this video and it would serve for both. So we're doing a tray. I haven't done one of these trays in ages, and there's so much you can do with them, and I've got a new toy to play with, so I'm going to cheat and I'm going to use my Cricut to put a skull in this tray. So first of all, let's separate a bit of this resin out, because first of all we need to mix some colours. So this one is Chaos, and it's a chameleon pigment from the Tiny Turner. I don't usually use this in resin, I normally paint it in the mould, but we are going to try it. Look at that. Ooh, that's stunning. And then the other colour is just going to be black, and we're just going to whack them both in this mould, and then hopefully what we get will look cool. So that's Stag Beetle Black, and we are just going to alternate between the two. I'm just going to go in with little lines like this, I think, and alternate and see what we get. Might look rubbish, but won't know till we demold. So just going to fill it all the way up. And there we go. So I'm going to pop the lid on, start this curing. I am, however, before I do that, just going to grab a micro brush and go around this edge, because quite often bubbles get trapped in there. And you need to go around the outside edge, but also the inside edge against the bit that makes the tray, because quite often bubbles can get caught there as well. So there we go. Hopefully I've done enough there. So I'm going to pop the lid on and I will see you back for the next stage. This is all cured now, so let's pop it out and have a look. I'm really loving this colour. Ooh, that's interesting. I've left smudgy marks on it already. So let's bring it up. Got a nice interesting pattern there. Nice and moody and emo. I need to try and get that mark off there though, because of what I want to do to it next. So would help if I could find my alcohol, but I can't. So let's do it that way around. So just to recap, I used Stag Beetle from Create and Bloom and Chaos Chameleon Pigment This is a tiny turner and it's available from Toonpish Crafts. Put links to everything in the bottom. Now, let me just grab a bit of paper. See if I can get some of that marker. Nice clean surface. So, I've just bought a Cricut Joy and I really wanted to have a play, and I hope this fits. So I made a skull. Now the question is, how do I want to put it in there? Straight, I think. So I've already chosen my picture, cut it out and put it on the transfer tape. So I'm just gonna lay that down on there as carefully as I can. And hopefully this works, because this is the first time I've ever done it. So should be able to take off the transfer tape now. Look at that. Awesome. It's a little bit bubbly, but I'm guessing I'll get better at that. And then I thought I would also, if it'll fit, put that on there as well. So I'm just going to plop that on there. And do the same again. See if I can get the tape off without pulling it all off. Looking good so far. Look at that. How cool is that? So at this stage, what I would like to do is give that a bit of a clean, make sure any greasy finger marks are gone from there, and then put a little bit of clear resin in there just to seal that in, and I will do that before I take the pictures. But on the whole, I really love that. The Cricut Joy is really cool, and I thought that that is pretty me, to be fair. So let's bring it up. I love the colours. Please excuse the bubbles. Like I say, the first time I've ever done anything like that. But for a first attempt, I am really pleased with that. So there we go. There'll be playlists in the description for School Sunday and the Crafting Together collaborations. Thank you again to Karen, Lula and George's Gorgeous Gifts for putting together both of the collaborations at School Sunday and Crafting Together. And if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with the links to my Amazon wish list and to buy me a coffee. Memberships are open, and the buttons down there to join the channel and the super thanks button. Everything that comes in from those goes straight back into the channel. Thank you to all of my members. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you subscribers for all of your interaction. I can't thank you all enough, members and subscribers. So that's it from me. Don't forget to watch the playlist for both of the collaborations down in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.